They could not dig up much further into this area and reach the boy. Ultimately, after 4 days, when they managed to actually reach that boy inside that borewell, he was already dead by then. These borewells are a big problem in India. Borewells like these are actually constructed to plow the fields, to irrigate the fields, and when the water dries up, most of the farmers leave the borewells open and according to a report by National Disaster Response Force, since 2009, we are having around 40 deaths of children due to these incidents. There are around 7 million children throughout the country, but Tanmay was very unlucky to survive this. Though in 2006,
they don't need to see me on the autograph.
headlines when 48 hours long operation
Three,
would actually save his life.
2,
But Tanmay was
1.
lucky to survive. Salman Ravi, BBC News, Bangalore, Madhya Pradesh.
You are watching BBC News.
Hello, the latest forecast for the Middle East coming up in just a moment.
OMG. That's what the say on my
a warm direction, so temperatures across the northwest of Africa are above average for the time of year. Some central areas seeing a few storms, but some really hefty downpours working through South Africa, Eswatini, Lesotho, perhaps parts of Botswana, Namibia as well. Poolside to the east, but they could bring some flash flooding in some spots. And thunderstorms in Cape Town as well, where temperatures pop out at 30 degrees Celsius during Sunday. It will be turning cooler, though drier, over the next several days.
I'm shooting a video, guys.
With the chance to see some rain, maybe around Nairobi at times too. And it's an unsettled picture into Morocco, so occasionally windy, occasionally wet here. Now, into the Middle East, whilst most places will continue to be dry, we'll be turning a bit milder into the Levant, whereas through the Gulf into Saudi Arabia, well, here it's a bit on the cool side. Temperatures are below average for the time of year, with a fairly brisk northwesterly wind, which has been transporting a few showers further southwards, a bit on the damp side for some here. If we look at the extended forecast, though, what goes down comes up again, then warmer through Riyadh and Kuwait.
It's big.
Whoopee.
Done shooting.